Jon Renau just released 4 new styles. I have the 4 styles here. One of them I have it in 2 colors to share with you. I'm really excited about these. I am unboxing each and every one of them, so we'll take a look at them together. I like to thank FRANNIE'S Hair for sending me one of these styles, and the other 4 I purchased at FRANNIE'S Hair. The links to all the styles will be listed down below for you in the description box. I am adding timestamps or chapters in case you want to skip around between one style or another. I'm going to go ahead and get started so this video won't be like 2 hours long. I promise I won't chatter too much. All right, I'm going to go from the shortest to the longest, I'm going to start off with the shortest. The first one is Luna, and I have it in Palm Springs Blonde. I do have all different colors. One of the colors I'm really excited about because I haven't had it in quite a while. All right, Luna. Luna has a lace front, an extended lace front, and the rest of it, there's no monofilament. It's a basic cap. We have felt covered ear tabs, and we have an extended nape and Velcro adjusters. Since this is basically a basic cap, I'm feeling the permatease right up here. We'll see how it looks once I have it on. Palm Springs Blonde is really pretty. I haven't had this color in a really long time too. Oh my. All right. We have quite a bit of permatease here, ladies. So if you are not a permatease gal, you may want to, this may not be the style for you. Let's make it look pretty. Has a very short nape, 1.75 inches. Because we don't have a monofilament, if you don't like to see those return hairs up there, once again, I like to point it out so you are aware of it. If you like to have volume, you're definitely going to get it from Luna. This is not really my style, but you know, I haven't said it in a while, but I think it needs repeating because I have gotten some comments saying, that style doesn't look good on you, Marlene. Yes, I know, but if I only showed styles that look good on me, styles that I like, that wouldn't be fair to the viewers. Because my channel is about me showing you different wigs and giving you as much information as I possibly can, rather than just coming on here and saying, oh, here's my new wig. If you like volume, I think that because I don't know what this would look like without a root, but Palm Springs Blonde has a light root to it. I don't think you could see the permatease. I think they did a nice job with it. Has an affordable price. Let me look at the measurements. The crown is 6 inches. The sides are 3.5 inches. The nape is 1 3/4 inches. And the bang is 5 to 6 inches. I think there are some shorter pieces on the front. So if you wanted to add a bang to Luna, you can certainly do that. It would just need a little bit of trimming. And the sides aren't too long, but if you wanted to tuck them, they're long enough, I think, to tuck if that's something that you want to do. And because we have a lace front, it can be worn off the face. How much does it weigh? It weighs 2.5 ounces. We do have light density here. We don't have a high density. And the permatease is mainly up on top and around the crown area. So you can fluff it up, but you could also sleek it down. These are heat-friendly fibers. This entire collection is all heat-friendly fibers. So if you wanted to take a flat iron to it, or you want to take a curling iron, a thin one, you can certainly do that. It doesn't appear to have any knotting. And on Palm Springs Blonde, we have a light ash blonde with pure white, and we have a dark ash blonde root. I think the root on it is 17 or 18, something like that. So you do have a light root. All right, I think I got all the details. Let me show it to you on all sides. Okay, as I mentioned, the nape is short. So if you have a low hairline, it may not work for you. I have a very low hairline, but I shave my neck. Before I take Luna off, I neglected to mention that I have a 21.5-inch circumference. I have hair and I'm wearing a wig grip. I did not cinch it in. I think it probably fits a true average, but I wouldn't go above a 22-inch with Luna. Now we're going to go with Stella Star. We have an extended lace front, a full mono top, felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. Okay, Stella Star feels to fit a little bit larger than Luna. Because we have a full monofilament top, we don't have a lot of permatease. We don't have any permatease up here. We have just a little bit of permatease at the crown. And yeah, right around here, we do have some permatease. Stella Star has a longer nape. The nape is 3.5 inches, so if you have a low hairline, it'll work well for you. Did I tell you that this color is 32F, which is what? Cherry cream. Let's take a look at the lace front. Nicely, nicely done on this color. Really pretty red gold blonde on the front. I have pretty good coverage here. Here's the ear tab. I am pretty good coverage here as well, even on my low hairline. See, nice and long. Measurements. We have a crown of 5.25 inches. We have sides of 4.75 inches. The bang is 4 inches, and Stella Star only weighs 2.5 ounces. If you want to wear it with bangs, you can certainly wear it with bangs. You might need to trim it a little bit because it is a 4-inch bang, but it's not bad at all. You can certainly wear it with the bang. What you're seeing there is my wig grip. So you can wear it this way. You can wear it off the face. Light density. I tell you, weighs only 2.5 ounces, just about. So you can wear it all tucked because we do have longer sides. Nice light density. Good coverage. And because we have a full monofilament top, we can part it anywhere we want. This color is not rooted, but it is highlighted, and we are going to have some bold highlights here. And you can wear it side swept, wear it with the bangs, wear it totally off the face, and it'll work perfectly. The color Cherry Cream 32F. This is a dark and a medium red brown. So red brown, a very dark auburn, which is, I believe, the 32. And we have light red gold blonde. Those are the highlights there. If you like the reddish tones, the warm tones, you will definitely like Cherry Cream. And this color isn't available on a lot of the styles. Next one up is Maeve, and I have Maeve in 10RH16. Let's take a look and see what the cap looks like. Okay, I remember now reading about it. On Maeve, we have an extended lace front. We have a center part, because on Maeve we have bangs, or you could wear it swept off. Felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. And for those of you that are just tuning in for Maeve, these are heat-friendly fibers, as they all are in this new Jon Renau collection. Okay, Maeve fits a little bit larger. Maeve has a good amount of hair. Maeve weighs 5.2 ounces. If you prefer a light density piece, Maeve might not be for you. This is for those of you that really like the higher density. You know, sometimes we get wigs that are 5 ounces, but they're long and it doesn't feel as heavy. It doesn't feel heavy on my head, but you see we do have a good amount of hair here. The bangs are a bit wonky on this one. I don't know if it's the style. I don't know if it's the one that I have. Maybe they just have box hair. Yeah, these bangs need working on for sure. I need to work on them. Look at that. It's okay. It's okay. Box hair is easy to work with. So we're just going to ignore the bangs. Let me show you the lace front. Really good coverage on Maeve. Here's the ear tab. And very little of my hairline showing. We have some permatease on either side of that center part. We have some permatease around the crown. And as I mentioned, we do have a good amount of density here. And I like to point it out because if you are new to wigs, or you're like me, you just prefer a low density, and I don't tell you, then you get the wig and you're disappointed. And I really don't want anyone to be disappointed. You know, it's not fun to get a wig and then you don't like it. The style is pretty. The bangs need working on. I need to work on these bangs. If I were to keep it, if that's what I don't know if I am or not. I don't know if I'm going to thin it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just unboxing it right now. But just with a little bit of heat, whether it's a hot air brush or a curling iron, the bangs can be fixed. That's not a problem. And of course, you can wear it slightly swept to the side. The measurements on Maeve, we have a crown of 15 inches. The sides are 11 3/4 inches. The nape is 8 1/4 inch. And as I mentioned, the bang is 4 1/4. This is not a tuckable style because we have a pretty high density right around here. Right here. It's not too bad up here. As far as density is concerned, we just have a little bit of permatease, but it's not an abundance of permatease, but we do have the density is concentrated more towards the bottom. Mine is in the color 10RH16. Anytime that you see an RH in Jon Renau, that indicates that there's 33% of the number following it. So the 16, in this case, there's 33% of the 16, which is a blonde. And that's the blonde that you're seeing here. Jon Renau, most of Jon Renau's colors, brunettes at least, they're primarily warm colors. If you like a neutral leaning, a cool color, then 10RH16 would be one to go with. This is very similar to Brown Sugar Sweet Cream from Beltress. We just don't have as much highlighting as we do in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, or Shaded Cappuccino as well. The fit on Maeve is your average fit. I think that if up to a 22 inch and it'll be just fine. All right, finally, I'm coming to the star of the show, in my opinion, which is HOLLIE. I have reviewed HOLLIE in another color previously, and I loved it so much. When I come on here and I say that I love a style, it's because I really do love the style. I'm not going to say I love the style, so you go out and get it. When I reviewed HOLLIE just a few days ago, I absolutely fell in love with it. I said so in my video that I loved it. I loved everything about it right out of the box. How much did I love it? That I ordered two. Well, actually, one of these Frannie sent me, and the other one I purchased. But this wig is absolutely gorgeous. And you know, I looked at Jon Renau's inventory this morning before I sat here. There are 12 colors already on back order. All right, the first one I'm gonna show you here is 1426 S10. I believe this is Shaded Pralines and Cream. HOLLIE has a 100% hand-tied cap. We have an extended lace front, a full mono top, felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. And since I already have Holly in another color, I know that it's going to fit me large. Jon Renau's hand-tied caps tend to fit on the larger end of average, 22 and a half, even up to a 23. That hair is in my face. I cinched it in quite a bit. Oh, this color's so pretty. Very similar to the 1426 from Tressalure. And we have a very light root here. Really pretty. Oh my gosh. With 1426 S10, we have that medium, that lighter root, and we have that blend of the auburn, the strawberry, the golden blonde. Really, really pretty. This is such a lovely style. Beautiful lace front. Great coverage. You can wear Holly off the face. You can wear it side swept. You can wear it with the bangs because we have a full mono top. You can part it anywhere you like. Look at that part. Absolutely gorgeous. The measurements on Holly, the crown is 11.5 to 12 inches. The sides are 8 inches. The nape is 2 3/4 inches. The bang is 4 1/4 inches. So on me, they're a little bit long. You can trim them, or if you want to wear it off the face, you can do that. Perfect fit. Absolutely no permatease whatsoever because we have 100% hand-tied cap and the density is relatively low. It only weighs 3.5 ounces, so it's much lighter than Maeve, and and the length is perfect. I mean, even if we have heat-friendly fibers here, we've got a great length that I don't think it's going to be rubbing so much against the clothes. I think it's just a perfect style. All right, let's take a look at it in Toffee Truffle. We're not going to go through the cap and everything because it's the same exact cap as the one that I have on. But I wanted to show it to you in a lighter color and a darker color. The color Toffee Truffle FS63027, one of my favorite colors, and warm colors all around. We have the base is 6, so it's a brown base, and we have a 30 and a 27, so a dark auburn or a dark reddish brown and a lighter auburn or a light golden blonde. You can give it whatever name you want. It's still the same color. For me, this is the winner. This is the winner as far as I'm concerned. I just love everything about Holly. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Let me know if you like any of these styles. Do you have a favorite? It doesn't have to be the same as mine. And if you don't like any of them, that's okay because I'm not the designer. Jon Renau is. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.